how to make a quiz in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily make a quiz in your Google Forms. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the forms that you have created. Now to change it into a quiz, go to settings and then here you can see make this a quiz option. Make sure that it is toggled on. So it might not be toggled on. Just tap on it and toggle it on like this. And then you can see release grades option. You can choose immediately after each submission or later after manual review. So for this, you'll need to turn on responses and collect email addresses so that you know who submitted which response. And then you can see respondent settings. You can see missed questions. Respondents can see which questions were answered incorrectly. You can toggle this on. Similarly, you can toggle the on for correct answers as well. And then you can toggle on respondents can see total points and points received for each question. So here you can see default question point value. So you can give a point to every question. So I'll put in 10. So this is how you can change the quiz settings. Now to add a quiz, go to the questions tab and go to the plus icon. Now you can put in any question of your choice here. And then here in the drop down, make sure that the questions are in multiple choice or checkboxes format. So for example, you put in how many players are there in basketball. So once you put in this question, you can put in options like this. Or you can even put in short answers so that there are no options and the person can just put in the answer in text format. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.